was a promise that I wanted. Don't know why I'm running from it, I swear I'll try. And if that's something you'd like, let's take it nice and slow. Please understand I'm not one to dance. Let's have a go with nothing much planned, but I love this band. And I'll take it how you give it, just so you'll do it.